Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you more work from home job leads. Today, we are just going to dive straight on in, so just know the links to all of these are in the YouTube description box below. I have featured ModSqad on my channel before. They act sort of like a staffing agency. They contract with bigger companies who don't want to hire full-time employees because they have smaller, like side hustle type projects that need to be worked, but the project is short-term and short-lived and does not require a full-time employee on staff to do so. So ModSqad contracts with these bigger companies to provide people to do these temporary side hustle projects. And so that is what I am bringing you today. ModSqad has 7 open positions right now. Now, most of these are going to be temporary and they're going to be part-time, and most of them will have flexible schedule. There is something for everyone. They have non-phone positions, moderator positions. They have phones positions if you like being on the phone and customer support. There's a little bit of everything, but I wanted to bring these opportunities up and share because it is getting close to that holiday season. This is the perfect little side hustle to do something for like the next 3 months. Make a little bit of side money for those holidays and that holiday shopping. So first up, they are hiring a social media moderator in English for a fantasy genre entertainment game. Now, these are all going to be remote for the United States only. And so what this one is they basically need moderators who are enthusiastic about fantasy genre to help moderate social media channels. That is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, related to specific shows. You'll work on the social media tool Crows, where you'll monitor the discussion on different threads and escalate what's important. Your objective will be to help the client gauge the mood of the community and identify any trend. Now, because this is social media, Twitter and stuff runs 24/7, they are looking for 24/7 coverage. So I do believe this has a lot of flexibility in the schedule. They're looking for someone to commit to at least 3 months and work 15 hours per week. Now, they are looking for someone familiar with YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, someone who has critical thinking skills and excellent English skills. Now, on all of these, pay is dependent on the project that you're on, your location, and experience. So pay is always discussed with ModSqad opportunities at the time of the interview. Next up is a non-phone moderation. They are looking for someone to moderate live events. So these live events are going to be online live streams, and they're looking for someone to be in the chat of the live streams, moderating the event, answering questions, and helping out where needed. They're looking for someone who has live stream moderation experience is strongly preferred, but it's not required. You have to be fluent in Leet speak or online jargon. You have to be fluent in English. You must be able to catch dangerous content in a very short time and take action on it per their guidelines. Now, they do offer flexible self-scheduling with this one. You do have to have your own computer equipment for this one. Next up, they're looking for someone to work e-commerce ticket support. This is gaming related. It says they have partnered with a very well-known gaming client, and you're providing a rare opportunity to support their online store. So for the holiday time, the online stores are going to get hammered with orders, questions, all of that. They are looking for someone who can work somewhere in between 12 a.m. and 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, who can commit to at least 10 hours per week. You'll be responsible for providing customer support via Zendesk ticketing system, providing customer support through their tickets, using the admin order tools to review order status and provide resolution to customers. So this is, again, non-phone. All the customer service is done through written word ticketing systems. So you need to be able to run a virtual desktop on your computer. If you have familiarity with Zendesk, that is a plus, but not required. They do require you to have previous customer support for this role. Someone who is comfortable taking the initiative, someone who is great at grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and able to pick up and learn things quickly. Moving right along, we have another moderation option, but this one is for online gaming. And they are basically seeking experienced content moderators or customer service representatives to help support one of their favorite gaming clients. As a member of this team, you'll moderate content on the Twitch platform, Discord platform, and sometimes YouTube, and respond to customer inquiries via email. So this one is again non-phone. They're looking for someone who has moderation or email support experience, someone who has experience playing role-playing games, someone who has great communication skills, and they do want someone who is available on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. Pacific time, so more throughout the nighttime hours, and they do need someone who can commit to 20 hours per week. Now, if online moderation and ticketing systems is not your thing and you do enjoy customer service, they also have a customer support that does phones and tickets, and this one is Autism Support. So this one comes with a calls. So you'll be providing tickets and working inbound and outbound call support for contacts looking for information on ABA therapy for themselves or them children that have been diagnosed with autism. So they are looking for someone who can work somewhere in between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, so daytime hours, who can commit to at least 10 hours per week. And because you are working with autism patients, you do need to have compassion and empathy if you have experience with special needs kids, and of course you have to have great written English skills and great grammar and spelling. But if fashion is your thing, they also have customer support, phones, and email for a big fashion brand. Again, it's the holiday season. They're looking for experienced phone and email moderators who can help customers with product information on their orders for a fashion brand. They are looking for someone who can work 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday, who can commit to at least 15 hours per week during that time frame, and willing to work on the weekends. They might expand working hours starting in November through January to accommodate that holiday season. You do have to have a quiet work environment because you will be taking incoming calls with this one. You'll have to accurately address any ticket issues, communicate with customers with empathy and understanding, and have excellent English grammar skills. And I did want to mention all of these have paid orientation. They do pay you for your training orientation time. But last but not least, we have another phone job if you like dealing with online property tax solutions. In this project, you'll be answering questions about the service, the sign-up process, and providing updates on current account status via phone and email. They're looking for someone who can commit to 20 hours per week, somewhere between Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, someone who has great, strong customer service skills, someone who has the ability to multitask, someone who has experience with a high volume call center, and who is energetic. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen, one I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.